This video is made for educational and commentary purposes and includes significant original narration and analysis.
Pretty close. Jesus Christ.
Está en verde, güey. A la verga.
Sudden acceleration. Drive safe.
What the f are you doing?
In the coming hour, a former American ambassador insists his country is we'll have post-election analysis from
I got everything I want, money. Now I take my day, be a crazy. I just want a weed day, baby. Weed day, you a treat.
in Dogwood Festival Market. We'll see you at the celebration. Today's marketers report.
Very precise in what we're trying to do to reach patients with something that I think we can all agree is something.
Anyone else? For better results for every budget, visit iHeartAdvertising.com. This plan's built just for you.
Exactly what you deserve. You don't have the light.
Found a burn in it. Seems kind of relevant. 7-8 show he's such a shitty
Got in the Dashcam, mother.
that he drives the entire crew away.
Jesus, you stupid Tesla. You make good time?
Thought you do it.
Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Yeah. Are you? You. You.
What are you doing? You know it merges, dumbass.
Ramp to Westview North, then merge onto Southern State Parkway.
Process its
Break. Oh shit.
We good, chat?
What are you doing?
Four tickets to the D-backs versus the Braves on Minecraft night. Plus, you'll score 4 tickets to brand new Minecraft movie.
All right, coming up on this morning news at
that?
What the Yo.
Oh my god. Oh my, they're gonna hit the car. Oh!
So his dumbass could not slow down.
Shit! This shit's fault anyway, man.
Dash cam. Oh no, don't get up.
Cost a 2-piece, yesterday's price, not today's price.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope the message of driving safely resonated with you. If you feel this video is important, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you can help spread awareness about safe driving practices and potentially save lives. Thank you, and stay safe on the roads.